do this. Come on, let's do this. Yeah. Stop talking. You can't stop me, and he can't stop me either.
Yo, I think they're passing. Come on.
Pass or run. We'll beat you as well.
Nah, you can't run on me.
Eyes open. Eyes open. I'm Hollywood.
I get that without even trying.
Making you look bad is so easy.
Hey, cover your man. Come on.
This stuff right here makes it high defense.
That button ain't gonna help you.
Bobby Wee, baby, Bobby Wee! Cover your man. I'm looking to win over somebody. Here comes the run. I'm burning the field up, baby. Burning it up. I got that thing! Yeah! Don't give him nothing! Nothing! Don't let him through! Don't let him through! Guess what? I'm gonna do that again! Get me some hands! Come on! Come on! Come on! Hey, it's not me! It's the guy controlling me! Play it tight! Play it tight! Oh yeah! Here we go! Right! Oh man, excuses, excuses, baby. I can't show you everything I got just yet. Don't be short, here comes a run. Try and get through this gate. Go ahead, bro. Try. Who's it there? Yeah, first down, baby, that's straight down. Watch the pass.
Can't hurt this.
Tighten up, Pete! Tighten up! It's over! It's over! Remember that! Let's tighten up, D! I hope you burnt the thing! You gotta get more! More! Get it!
Look at these hands. Look at them.
Let's rock, baby! Let's rock!
He don't come out here with that weak
Oh,
side.
next time I'm running right over you!
Boost along, yo. Be ready for
Get
anything.
ready to get faster, baby! Come on!
I got internet stocks in better shape than you.
Watch the run! Watch the run! Watch the run! Now be honest, you never done this before, huh? Let's keep them where they are. What? Where you going? One more down, let's stop it. You better cover me. That's it. That's all you had. Your offense ain't gonna do nothing with it. Watch for the run. Watch for the run. I'm bringing home. You're the captain, dummy. Ball. You ain't throwing this game now. You got. You ready for the blitz against us? We rock star. Believe me. Rock star. I know you can play deep better than that. First and goal, fellas. Let's make sure they're only looking at me. Are you looking at me?
Man, that looks dry as a bone.
Watch the pass, fellas. What did you say? What? Fellas, step up or step out. on. First and goal to go. Big stop here. I'm going deep. Oh,
Hey, you just went heavy on the weak side.
big stop here, fellas. You better get out of my way.
Where you go?
Yeah, I just get started, baby.
On my way.
One more chance. Go ahead and try to stop it. You! Never mind. I know you feel real small right now. You know they can't run, so watch the pass. At least you talk a good game. You know they can't run, so watch the pass. Go ahead. Try and stop me. They got the move. Kids who keep on talking about. Come on, D, let's tighten it up now. You fixing to be on my highlight reel. I don't think so. Dog, that was luck. There's no chance you're gonna move that ball. I've seen glaciers that run faster than you.
Let's play. Play, I'm taking you out.
Watch us, you ain't clutch.
They take the ball away. Eyes open, eyes open.
You gotta bring it strong, man. Better watch it. I almost had that one.
Second and goal. Play it tight. Play it tight.
Is that your tooth or mine?
Watch the pass, fellas.
Dog! Oh yeah, here we go.
Jump on that, son.
Get up. On second thought, don't bother. They're creeping, dog. They're creeping. Dog, that was good. Here. Y'all maybe I dropped that one. Second is short. Don't give him an inch. Let's play. Don't dance. Get yours while you can. Watch the pass. Watch the pass. You better be ready.
Someone's feeling it.
One more down? What do you want?
Look. Giving up already?
Second is short. Watch the run.
Let me guess. He just getting warmed up, right?
First and goal to go. Take the blitz. Take the blitz. We just moving it.
Grab, kick the ball. Nope, don't think so.
Blitz. Here comes the blitz. Let's play.
Embarrassing yourself. Two more plays, all right? You ain't touching this.
Yo, B, I don't know what happened. Cover your man. Shut it. Shoot the gap, baby. Go. Check it out. Stop! I'm taking this to the house.
They passed it. Cover your man.
Go ahead.
Someone, please.
I've got the quick. All you got is the quicksand. They're bringing the blitz. They're bringing the blitz. Hey, we do what we want, baby.
Don't waste my time.
All I do is run game, player.
First and goal to go. First and goal.
Show me some respect. You said before.
Hey, B. You're starting to call
Hey,
us
watch
the
me now.
cat.
I'm gonna be lighting up that scoreboard like the 4th of July.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Who did that?
Keep them where they are, fellas. Is that all you got?
Come on, guys. I need some blocks if you're expecting to move this ball now.
You better get out of my way. Go.
Think what would have happened if my shoe wasn't untied? Second and short. Here comes the run.
Y'all like school on Saturday. Some time. No class.
Looks like we got a baller. I can't help it if I catch everything they throw my way.
Take the blitz. Take the blitz. I love breaking down your D.
Let's push him back. Push him back.
How you like that?
Do something. I don't do all my moves in one place. Watch the run.
I'm going deep. Deep.
I'm the trash man.
Keep going.
Dude that takes out the garbage, and I'm about to take you out.
Catch it.
Almost had that one, man. Let's see what you got, baby.
Look at this. Who's that?
Now you want to look and make a catch like that?
Like me yesterday. My game.
Let's
One
get
game
it
something
on.
like pinata.
Watch the run.
Oh, they're bringing the house. Let's go ahead and end this right now, shall we?
You're getting the shadow treatment.
Oh, that's it. Now you done made me mad. You want this ball? You're gonna take it from me. Take it from me, baby. It's mine.
Let's put these jumps on lockdown.
Just give me the ball. I'm about to
Fill the gap. Fill the gap.
No, sir. No, sir.
Second long. Watch the pass. Man, please. I just want to test your skill.
Get up.
But you ain't getting nothing.
Don't put your hands up. You ain't open.
Watch the pass. Watch the pass.
Step aside, little man. Watch the blitz. Watch the blitz. I can't be stopped. Welcome to the House of Pain. Yeah, it's our ball, baby. Yeah.
Only 3 more plays. Don't let
Now
us
what
go,
do you
fellas.
end this?
Dog, you need an army out here to stop me. Only 3 more plays. Don't let him score. Oh, man, you made me mad now.